These are Hmong's secret arts of forbidden black magic. Listen carefully. I will teach you these spells. You must never share them with anyone. Only our bloodline.
I understand, Grandfather.
Good. Do not force the cut. Let the blade follow your breath.
Yes, Master.
Steel is honest. It tells you when you are tense. Listen to it, and it will guide your hands.
I understand.
Then continue.
Now practice using a spell. Good. Again.
I fear a great catastrophe is coming. If possible, do not use any of my teachings. Start a family, stay hidden, and live a peaceful life.
Yes, Grandfather. I will do as you wish.
Papa's looking at us again.
Am I? Couldn't help it. He's proud. Always.
Look what I found. It grew right where you tilled.
A strong little sprout, just like you.
And just like his father.
Maybe all of us. Look at you three.
Faster. Come here, both of you. Stay close.
Well, look what we found. A little nest in the hills.
Please, my children.
Quiet. Quiet.
I'm so sorry. I couldn't keep you safe. They left their shells, their footprints.
They think they can run.
Sorry, Grandfather.